This is one of my favorite Goan breakfast. Soft puris served with Patal Bhaji. Simple, comforting and so delicious. A dish that never fails to make mornings special. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. I washed and peeled 5 potatoes. Now I'm dicing the potatoes. Place them into a bowl of water. And here I diced the potatoes and I washed them 3 times with plain water. I placed a kadai on medium flame. I poured water into it. I added salt. I'm mixing it well and I'll keep it to boil. Then drain the diced potatoes and transfer it into this kadai. Stir it and let the potatoes cook. The potatoes are cooked well. Now I'll drain the water. Next, I placed a kadai on medium flame. I heated little oil in it. I added 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds, 1 and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 stem of curry leaves. Once it starts splattering, add 1 big onion chopped. The onions turn translucent. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 green chili chopped, next goes in half teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is where the flavor builds. Simple ingredients but full of taste. Now we'll add the cooked potatoes. We will mix it well. Next, add water as required. Mash some potatoes. Cover with the lid and let it cook. Then add salt as per your taste. Mix well. Let it cook for some time. Then add fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Mix well. Once it starts boiling and the gravy thickens, switch off the flame. Patal Bhaji with Puri is something I can never say no to. It's such a simple dish but feels so special every single time. That's it. My favorite Patal Bhaji is ready, with hot puris on the side. Nothing feels more homely and comforting. I have already shared the puri recipe before. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking, sending you calmness and good wishes always.